What's going on? We did a little walk the lot video real quick of some of the inventory we just got in and stuff that's coming in and stuff that we already have that's ready for sale. Little cheap lifted truck right there, $6,500. First 6,500 takes it. We got a Dodge 2500 in the back. We got a 05 Duramax in the back. We got a 06 Powerstroke in the back. Good little Cadillac lifted. Denali Duramax. I think that one's a 14, I believe. 07 GMC with a Cadillac conversion. It's not quite ready yet. We're going to be getting it ready. 13 Duramax. 08 F-150. I think this is a 2012 Chevrolet. Super cheap price too. $15,900. 07 Mega Cab, 6.7 Cummins. Then we got a 2500 60. I think it's a 2015, I believe, 14, 15. Come get your little sports car, a little Z06. Mercedes-Benz 55 AMG. If you go to our website, you'll be able to see, tons of pictures. You go to our YouTube channel, there's some videos of all of our stuff as well. 06 Escalade lifted. 03 2500 60 Chevrolet lifted on 41 IROX. 04 F350 dually. Pretty truck. Nice little 06 59 2500 Cummins. We got the last year 07 Mega Cab 5.9 Cummins. Probably one of my favorite trucks of the week. 2012 2500 Cummins with 38,000 original miles. Crazy color too. It's like I don't even know, like a flip-flop green or something. It's wild. Monster truck for show. Another 07 Mega Cab. It's another 6.7 with I think 106 on the miles. Beautiful truck, brand new tranny work, H&S tunes. 04 Chevy Tahoe. I think that's when you got like 80,000 miles. Oh yeah, a big monster Tahoe, or actually Yukon. She's lifted up on some 40s. I think that's an 04. Damn thing's only got like 30,000 miles or 38 or something. Super low miles. 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. 22x14 fuel Mavericks. Brand new 35s. Another beautiful truck. We currently have about probably another 7 to 8 currently in service over at Dlux Motorsports too. You'll see some more new stuff pop on the website next week. So we're constantly buying and selling stuff, man. We stay extremely busy. So we're constantly getting new stuff in and out. So if there's something specific you're looking for you don't see, let us know. We'll find it for you, build one for you, whatever's necessary. I normally don't do lot walks when it's this damn cold outside. It's like 35 degrees, probably not even 35, it's probably like 30. It's cold as can be. So if you have any questions, look us up. Call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on Instagram, DLUX_motorsports. And if you're close enough friends to us, you can follow us on Snapchat. We do some pretty crazy videos like roll inside 40-inch tires and do dumb stuff, shoot fireworks off at each other. So we do some crazy stuff here and there, but anyway, if you got any questions, give us a shout.